Namaste. In this session, we are going to understand the monohybrid cross. Gregor Mendel is known as the father of genetics. In the 19th century, he conducted experiments on pea plants to understand how traits are passed from the parents to offsprings. One of his most important experiments is called the monohybrid cross, where only one trait is studied at a time. Mendel selected pea plants with contrasting traits, for example, tall plants and dwarf plants. The tall plants had the genotype T, and the dwarf plants had the genotype t. Here, T represents the dominant allele for tallness, while t represents the recessive allele for dwarfness. During reproduction, each parent produces gametes. The tall plant produces gametes containing T, and the dwarf plant produces gametes containing t. When these gametes fuse during fertilization, the offsprings receive one allele from each parent. All the offsprings have the genotype T. Since T is dominant, all the plants in the F1 generation are tall. When Mendel allowed F1 plants to self-pollinate, the cross was T cross T. The possible combinations are T, T small t, and small t. In the F2 generation, Mendel observed 3 tall plants and 1 dwarf plant. This gives the phenotypic ratio of 3:1. This experiment helped Mendel propose the law of dominance and the law of segregation, which explains how traits are inherited. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.